Okay, we will solve this one. One side of a square mat is of length 45.5 centimeters. How long of a lace material needed to put borders on it? Okay, so the problem is asking for the perimeter of the mat or the square mat. So therefore, yung formula ng perimeter of the square is perimeter equals 4s. Kasi yung square is meron siyang apat na side. Okay? So therefore, perimeter equals 4. Tapos yung side or ito yung one side of the square mat is 45.5 centimeters. Okay, then i-multiply lang natin yan. Okay, so perimeter equals 4 times 45.5 centimeters equals 182 centimeters. So therefore, sa choices natin, letter C is the correct answer.